Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. And in this video, we have yet another probability slash permutation slash combination problem. So let's read it out. A box contains 24. Oh, by the way, before I actually read it out, this problem I definitely saw in the Praxis exam. I don't remember if it was Praxis 5164 in Jersey. That's the middle school exam, state exam to become a teacher, or to be certified to become a teacher, or either it was 5165, which is the math content knowledge one. That one's also to become a teacher, but it gives you the opportunity to be a teacher in high school. But I forgot which one of the two I actually saw it in. But I've also seen this problem in certain or a couple of SAT workbooks. So it's very important that we pay attention to this one. But it reads out, a box contains 24 integrated circuits, 4 of which are defective. If 4 are sold at random, find the probability that exactly 2 are defective, all are defective, and at least 1 is defective. So let's work with part A. Let's do it in this color. Part A says find the probability that exactly 2 are defective. So as with every problem, I like to kind of figure out what is the total number of ways I can select a certain amount from the total of items that there are. And in this case, I need to select 4 out of 24. So that is our total. 24 combination 4, and that is equal to 10,626. But we're just gonna, I guess we'll just leave it like this. But anyways, moving on, the question asks exactly 2 are defective. Okay, so out of the defective, all right, or defective, I'm selecting 2. So there are 4 in total that are defective. So 4 in total that are defective, and I'm selecting 2. Okay, that is how I can select 2 out of 4. Okay, but then I am left with just 2 more slots, right? I have already selected my defectives. So defective. Now I need to select not defective and not defective. Okay, so which ones are not defective? Well, if there are 24 in total and 4 of them are defective, there are 20 in total, and I need to select just 2 more, so it'll be 2 or 20 combination 2. So I'm going to multiply the 4 combination 2 by 20 combination 2. Okay, again, this right here is selecting 2 from the defective and then selecting 2 from the 20 that are not defective. Okay, and then I'm just going to simply divide by the total number of combinations in the entire problem, and what I'll be left with is a decimal. And if you were to click math and then fraction, you'll get 190 out of 1,771. Okay, so now let's move on to part B. I'll do it in green. Part B says all are defective. If all of them are defective, you get, so basically I'm choosing 4 because there are 4 total slots. I am choosing 4 out of the 4 that are defective. So 4 combination 4 is just 1. Anytime you have n equal to r, it's just going to equal to 1. So it's just going to be 4 combination 4 divided by 24 combination 4, and that will equal 1 out of 10,626. And now let's move on to the last one, which is at least 1 is defective. Whenever you see at least, you're always going to subtract from 1, and you're always going to have some fraction. Okay, in this case, at least 1 defective. What I like to do, and I think the rule is to take the complement. So what is not defective? And that is choosing from the 20 that are not defective, or we're choosing 4 of them that are not defective. We're choosing 4 from the 20 that are not defective. From the total, which is 24, that we're selecting 4. And that is what at least means. Again, you're subtracting 1 from, or you're subtracting the not or the complement basically from 1. Okay, and that would be 1,927 out of 3,542. So again, one more time, when you hear at least, you're always going to have your favorable and then your total, but your favorable is always going to be what is not. Okay, it's the opposite of what it's asking for. So here it asks at least one is defective, but which ones are not defective. Okay, and you're gonna be subtracting from 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and hit that notification bell button down below to be notified when the next video is up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.